I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There's nothing worthy of worship.
There's nothing worthy of worship.
Besides God Almighty.
Besides God Almighty.
And I bear witness.
And I bear witness.
That Muhammad.
That Muhammad.
Is his last and final messenger.
Is his last and final messenger.
And I bear witness.
And I bear witness.
That Jesus.
That Jesus.
Son of Mary.
The Son of Mary.
Is his messenger and his servant.
Is his messenger and his servant.
Welcome to the family of Jasmine.
All right, here we go.
Go ahead, Texas.
Yeah. Anything you break, you buy. All right, let's ease back. Let everybody see our young lady. There you go. Are you okay? How you feel?
Nervous.
Really? You think you're nervous? I didn't think I would. All right, here we go. This is Arabic. You're happy? How do you do that?
MashaAllah.
This is your daughter?
This is my daughter. I'm praying with it.
In that case, I guess he can go ahead and give her a hug,
Yeah,
right?
you should.
Is that permissible? I'm just checking. I know the haram police are around here somewhere. All right, here we go.
Come on, Shady.
He's not very old, is he?
Very.
He's very old? That hurts. That had to hurt.
Mid-30s, I'm old.
Mid.
Oh, mid-30s.
Yeah. Hey, I'm only 23. What? All the companions, they used to say their age from when they made Shahada. Hello, 1991.
1996. I'm still younger than you, Shady.
What is who turned this mic back on? That's what
I'm not even 20 yet. I can't even drive in some places.
Hey,
Take this one. How about that? You're driving me crazy. All right, here we go. Now I forgot where we were. What were we doing?
Saying it in Arabic.
Saying it in Arabic. See, she's paying attention.
Start again, because I got it.
Ashhadu
Ashhadu
an la
an la
ilaha
ilaha
illa
illa
Allah
Allah
wa
wa
ashhadu
ashhadu
anna Muhammad
anna Muhammad
Rasulullah
Rasulullah
wa Isa
wa Isa
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar! MashaAllah! I want to get a hug! Look at that stuff there. Mabruk.
Never.
I was so happy for your whole family.
I prayed my job.
He said he's been praying for this. MashaAllah. Oh, MashaAllah. We have some gifts here from the audience. They don't want to just say their name, but look at this. This one is for you, young lady.
Pretty. Thank you.
All right. Ladies first. I got to skip you just for a second. Young lady. There you are. And for the gentleman. All right.